Hi there, I'm Taralyn, an admissions counselor here at the Culinary Institute of America. Let's talk about one key ingredient in your CIA application, your recommendation, and what we're expecting. Think of your application like a recipe. You've already got your creativity, your passion, your drive, and the recommendation is the extra seasoning that brings the whole dish together. It helps us understand who you are and why you thrive as a future CIA student. Your recommendation should come from someone who really knows what you bring to the table. An employer, a teacher, a guidance counselor, or a professional colleague. Someone who can share why you'd thrive here at CIA, whether it's your work ethic, teamwork, or ability to stay cool under pressure, in or out of the kitchen. Submitting it is simple. Your recommender can use our online recommendation form or email it to our general inbox, admissions@culinary.edu. Easy, smooth, and straightforward, just like a good sauce. And if you're thinking, who should I ask for a recommendation? Don't worry, that's what we're here for. Reach out to your admissions counselor to help you find the best person to showcase your strengths. We can't wait to get to know you and see how you'll spice up our CIA community.